Hello guys, in this video we see how to download and install DragonOS Noble R4 edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, first download DragonOS, then install. So go to any search engine and search for DragonOS download. See here, this is the direct link and this is the source forge. Even if you go to this link, it will be redirected to this source forge. So go to this official page. Then click on this x86-64. See, we have redirected to same source forge. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 3.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded. Okay, now wait a moment here. We have the versions like DragonOS Noble, DragonOS Focal X, DragonOS Focal. And see here 24.04, 22.04 and 20.04. If you go to files, you can download these older versions. See here Noble, ISO image, Focal X R37 and Focal. Okay, so instead of going there, you need to click on this ISO image. Then you will be able to download. So in your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Click on browse. Then go to downloads directory. See here we have the DragonOS Noble R4 ISO image. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Then select the Linux. Then select version as Ubuntu 24 because it is Noble. Select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving DragonOS Noble R4 VM. Okay. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the NO space. Click on next. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, if you want to modify any one of these hardware information of the virtual machine, you have to click on customize hardware. Then you have to provide the information. I am okay with all these settings. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify this, okay. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click on it and select settings. Or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is boot DragonOS Noble Live System, and hit enter. Now see, if you want to test, then you can use this one and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, see here, install DragonOS Noble. Right click on it. Then open, then click on execute. Now select the language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout and click on continue. See, if you want to download updates while installing DragonOS, you have to keep the checkbox. And if you want to install third-party software for graphics, you have to select this one. It is up to you. Then click on continue. See, this is the fresh installation. So select the installation type as erase disk and install DragonOS. And click on install now. Click on continue. Now select the location on this globe, or you can search here and you can select. Okay, then click on continue. Now we have to set up the user. So I am giving user full name as R2 schools, and this will be the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. This is the username. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has finished. Now click on restart now. Now we have to remove the installation media. So Alt Control to release the cursor. Right click, settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect in device status Then unselect these both checkboxes and click on OK. Then click on this virtual machine and hit enter. Now provide the password. Hit enter. Now open terminal. Now verify the version that you have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed DragonOS Noble and its name is Ubuntu and its version is 24.04. The first step after connecting to DragonOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, updation is in progress. This will take time. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DragonOS Noble version on VMware Workstation. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.